What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Fantom here, and as you can see, things are looking pretty damn good, aren't they, to be honest? I mean, looking at this chart, you can see this is a very bullish past year or so for Fantom that we've seen here. Obviously down in that March 2020 crash, down at around 1/5 of a cent. Obviously an absolutely incredible buy here for Fantom, and since then it's just been higher highs and higher lows, having a really nice upturn in the market. You can see, you know, just how bullish Fantom actually looks here, looking like it's starting to do something like this as well. You can see here with the lows, they seem to be steadily increasing, something like this in a, you know, a parabolic curve. Fantom overall just looking like a really exceptional project in general. A massive amount of TVL and projects being launched on the Fantom network. And as a result, we've seen this exponential explosion ever since, you know, we came down to around 15 cents here in July. And look, we're up at around $2.50 right now. Looking very good for Fantom, to be honest. You can see overall, the Fibonacci's being, for this Fibonacci pull that we've pulled here from this previous all-time high at around 95 cents down to that 15 cent level here. These levels all being respected to an absolute beast of a T. You can see here support, resistance flipped into support. Look, them all the way up. Support, resistance, sorry, down back down to the all-time high, previous all-time high support at 96 cents. Resistance flipped into support, resistance, support. We come down, back down, and we actually lose the support of the 127 here. So we come back down towards that level at around that 125 swing low area. We consolidate between these two levels, and then over the past week or so, we've had a really nice renaissance for Fantom. It's essentially ran all the way up from around that 130 level up to around, what was this, 250? A bit of a rejection from that, you know, that's kind of a psychological level, isn't it, 250? A rejection back down to around that 207, 208 level here, which is the 141 extension on the fib. And you can see we've had another pump here back up to around that 261 level, looking really good, looking like we, you know, we're basically coming up to this next swing high here. After this downtrend, you can see lower lows and lower highs. We consolidate, we get the breakout, higher high, higher low, higher high, stuck under this previous swing high resistance that you can see here around that 270 level. So we've had a little bit of a rejection, and you can see yourselves coming back down, potentially back down to around that 235, 240 area. Back test the previous swing high and have another go at this swing high that we want to break here. Heading up towards that 161, which is at around that 290, 295, $3 level that we were talking about at the 161 extension. I mean, you can see here quite clearly what's happened. It's a pretty bullish market structure, isn't it? You can see resistance under this trend line. We roll all the way down, we come up and we break out, we back test, and you know, we've potentially got a bit of a bump and run pattern going on here, haven't we, where we come back up, we come out of the resistance, we back test it as support, and then if that's the case, we could be looking at heading up very soon for Fantom, looking very nice. So overall, we're really bullish on this project. We think it's going to do exceptionally well. We do have a bag of this, of course, ourselves, not financial advice, but we do think this is a project that is going to perform very well into 2022, especially when we've seen what Solana and Avalanche have been doing recently. Solana at around $50 billion market cap, Avalanche at around 30 billion, and Fantom only at around $5 billion market cap, with a lot of TVL as well. A really great, rich ecosystem of projects being launched on it all the time, and it's pretty obvious in our opinion that because of this, you know, the more adoption the network gets, the more demand for the token, and we do think it's just going to continue to be more and more bullish because of this. So overall, really bullish on Fantom. You can see here on the hourly time frame and just how technically it has been trading here. You can see the support of the 141. We lost it, we come down, we consolidate between that level at that 125 and the 127 extension at 160. We consolidate, and then we come up, breakout, backtest, and moving forward. So things looking really good for Fantom. Short-term price predictions, support is at that 141 at around $2.06, obviously down to around $2. In a little area, something like this is a really strong area of support we'd expect to bounce at if we rolled over. But in reality, you know, Fantom's looking really bullish, isn't it? And we could imagine it doing something like this, where it comes down, back tests this area at around that 235 area, and then comes and tests this 161 extension at around $3. And then we do think, you know, Fantom, if it does anything like what Avalanche or Solana have done, it's going to be coming up to at least that $10 mark. And you can see here, there is a 227 extension at around, what is it, at around $10, isn't it? So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.